What is up, everybody? It's the collector here. Like I posted earlier in one of those shorts videos, we're doing a special one today. It's gonna be an unboxing for something that I have been literally stalking for months. And you know, it's one of those things that never in stock, always sold out. And then it just happened. I guess it just must have been a magical morning where I woke up one day and checked Amazon and it was in stock. It is the '89 Batman and Batmobile. So let's get this big boy opened up. I am definitely looking forward to this. And of course there is another matching box inside that box. Break this box out. Set thee free. Anyways, hope you're all doing good out there. Having a good night. Had a good day. Having a great week. And as always, hunting for the good stuff in life. Plastic action figures. So, alright. Now we're getting this thing open. Oh man. So we'll just set that right there. I'll get out of the light so you can see that. Very cool. So pretty much the same image on these two sides. Right back here, got an actual product picture, a little bit of logo, and then bam. Third one. Feels like I'm unboxing a HasLab almost, which I have done twice and I'm looking forward to doing a few more times. There we go, got that door opened up. Oh wow, all right. Let's see how this thing comes out of here. Just like that. Nothing else in the box. Definitely gonna save that box. Some pretty good packaging. Nothing excessive. Just enough to get the job done. We got Batman. Wait, where did I? Yeah, there we go. Hold on. So yeah, we got the fins in here. Don't throw your fins away. Wow, man, that looks good. All right. Breaking these dudes out. We got a double baggy situation. They didn't want them touching. It's like your peas and your mashed potatoes when you're 10. Can't touch. So we got 3 little grooves in here, right? We just got some slots over here. You want to be gentle. Don't want to break nothing. Let's see here. All right, so it's like a bit of a oh, no, that doesn't sound good. Alright, that's actually kind of frustrating. So hold on, let's see here. I gotta figure out how to get this in here without breaking it. This is kind of frustrating, to be honest, because I'm good at breaking stuff. And I don't want to break a fin. Oh boy. Wow. Alrighty, let's try to use a little bit of toolage here. Alright. That side went in a lot easier. Alright, now let's see here how we get this thing to open up. Not exactly sure. There we go. Alright, so we got a button right here. Boom. Canopy slides out. Checking out the details in there. Thing's cool. And then the man of the hour, we'll just rip him out. Oh. What up, Mike? Michael Keaton himself, ladies and gentlemen. You gonna stand up real easy? Hold on, let's see here. They still got those ball joints? No, not too bad. They got better ball joints on this dude. Toe hinge. Regular old knee hinge. Come on. Wait, let's see here now. Is that gonna work? Is that gonna work? Oh dear. Come on. Come on. Mess with that later, but there we go. Batman and Batmobile. I'll go ahead and stuff them in there for you, just so you can see. And voila. And voila. Checking them out up in there. Good stuff. A little bit of a pain in the ass to put together, but happy to have